Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Marshall miner 3 are not connecting and how you can fix this. So the good way how you can try to fix this is to perform a factory reset. So to perform a factory reset, it's really simple. All you have to do is when you're gonna have the Marshall, you want to have them both in a case. You don't want to take them out, so have them both in a case so they're gonna like lock out, lock in. And then next to the USB charging point, here you can have this button. So you want to close the, you want to have them open and hold the button. When you're gonna hold the button and press it, it's going to first, there is going to be a blue light as you can see, and then it's going to change to the red light. Like a red, in a way, beeping. And now it's red, look. So this is how we do it, and this is how you can fix it. So you just hold it for a while, and then when it's finished, all you have to do now, okay, now close it, and you can take it out and check if it's going to work out. So I hope it worked. Let me down in the comments if it helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.